Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this cute DIY bookmarks, and these all are made of popsicle sticks. So I hope you will figure out something new and like this video. So guys, yeah, let's get started. So our first bookmark is the tassel bookmark. For that you need woolen and a popsicle stick. I have colored it. Take the woolen and start wrapping it around your finger. You have to wrap it around 10 to 12 times. And now cut it out like this. Now take a woolen strand and wrap it like this and secure it with a knot. Now take your popsicle stick. I have already made a hole. Now insert the woolen into this. Just keep your tassel like this. Wrap it 1 to 2 times and secure it with a knot. Now we have to wrap the head of the tassel as well. So for that, take a woolen strand and wrap it or secure it with a knot. And just make it even by cutting the uneven woolen strand from the bottom. I have written here read and made an arrow. If you want to write something else, please go ahead. Our second bookmark is this cute heart quilled bookmark. For that, I have colored my popsicle stick into multicolor. I'm taking here 2 different color strips. Now I'm rolling it one and just secure the coil like this. Now secure the ends using glue. Now what you have to do, just press it between your fingers like this and just fold it. And now secure it as well. Now take the other strip and start wrapping it around it. I have created one more using same method. Now we have to attach them together. So apply some glue and attach it. You'll have this heart kind shape. Now I'm taking my hot glue gun, just applying some hot glue and just attach it with your popsicle stick. This is the simplest one I know. And now the third one and the cutest one is the pom-pom bookmark. For that you need again woolen and just start wrapping it around your fingers. Cut the extra woolen out and just remove the loop that you have created and secure it with a woolen strand. Now just wrap the woolen strand around your loop and secure it with a knot. So now we have to cut the sides and start trimming it. Now your pom-pom is ready. I'm taking here one popsicle stick. I already have colored it. I'm just attaching it my pom-pom with the popsicle stick. I have written something over here. That's totally up to you if you want to write it something or not. So guys, I really like these all. Tell me in the comment section that which one you like most. And guys, if you like today's video, so make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel guys for more videos, and yeah, I'll see you very soon. Until you take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.